Hey everyone, Alexander over here from Coldwell Banker making a quick short video about the new open house that we're going to have in 2 Palfrey Street in Providence, Rhode Island. But before to getting into the house, I want to show you this massive deck that we have over here. Very nice and cozy to entertain families and friends in a hot day like today here in Rhode Island. So let me show you what we have over here. As you can see, this is only like a dead end. The only people entering into that property is gonna be the ones who's living in that area. Let me show you the deck, massive deck over here. Saturday and Sundays, very nice. And this house is totally renovated, guys, from the basement to the top. So as you can enter into this house, you're gonna have a massive, ample living space. You have a brand new kitchen, backsplash. All the appliances has been new as well. You're gonna have on this, basically, take a look at this, guys. Take a look at this. Very nice, ample. And you have a full bathroom, style shower, vanity, everything is newer. The fixtures, high ceilings, 9 feet. You have the pantry over here, as I mentioned before. Stove, microwave, dishwasher, refrigerator is very nice. You have access to the patio, you get access to the basement, you're gonna have access to the second floor, but let me show you what we have over here. So on the first floor, we have living room, dining room, kitchen, bathroom. On the second floor, second level, you're gonna have 3 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom as well. Take a look at this. Very nice. Hardwood floorings. So you don't have any problem about with the allergies because of the carpet or something like that. Very nice and clean. Closet over here as well. And another closet over here. Very nice and big as well. So this is a very nice house, totally renovated. Insulation, the roof is around, it's newer. We got a style shower too, which is awesome. As I mentioned before, all the appliances remains into the property. It comes with the see what we got over here. So as you can see, the stairs are very ample, very spacious, which is awesome for the case that you're gonna have a very massive bedroom up there. In this one, you're gonna have access to the basement, which it runs on the boiler. It's right here. And you have the basement on this side over here. Very nice and clean. Open the opportunities that you're gonna do an office space or entertaining room. Circuit breakers updated. You got the plumbing, PVC, a little bit of the storage. And this is basically, once you get over here, you're gonna have the opportunity to get into the patio. Small, it's a cozy patio, which is very awesome to entertain families and friends. And so you can go over here. You have the opportunity to enjoy once again the beautiful outside deck for everybody to enjoy. This weekend, an open house, and also Saturday between 12 to 2, Friday 4:30 to 6, and Thursday as well 4:30 to 6. If you have any questions about this property, please let me know. More than happy to assist you. Take care, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.